Hello everyone, my name is Financial Charles. Today is December 6th of 2023 and the Bitcoin price is at a whopping $44,000. I cannot believe it. It was as high as about $44,500. And last time I made a video, I forgot how long ago it was. I forgot what the Bitcoin price was. I believe it was somewhere around this 37K range. And it's just incredible to see the gains that we've made. So I'm just going to quickly run over this, technical analysis. That doesn't even matter because what really matters is the fundamentals behind this. But I remember, when I made that video that was titled "Buy Bitcoin at 26,000, do not wait for lower prices." If we were to assume that you listened to that advice and you bought at $26,000, this first initial pump would have already taken you up 33%, 34%. So, out of a $1,000 buy, that's, about a $333 return. Or if you, put in $10,000, that's 3.3K. And then we started going slowly up. And, we were range bound for only a couple days. And then we have this big pump from 37,000 to what it is now, 44,000, which is another 16%, which is just insane. I can't believe what we're seeing right now, and this is the exact reason why I was making these Bitcoin videos, because I knew like the fundamentally Bitcoin is a lot more valuable than a measly $26,000. If we take the move from 26,000 to see how far we're at right now, we're at a whopping 6 to 8% return. And I remember making videos about taking out the loans to buy at 27,000. And, from buying 27,000, let's say around here, and now it's up here, that's a 60% return. So really, if it was a $10,000, loan, I just made about $7,000 again, and I just made that video talking about, I made $7,000 in one day. Well, here it is today, December 6th, I made $7,000 again. I made $7,000 more dollars. It's crazy. And yeah, I am pretty bullish, but, I was hoping for a pullback after we were in this range slowly going up, and it just keeps going up. And I'm hoping again for another pullback, but I don't know. Bitcoin has super bullish momentum right now, and if you zoom out of the chart, it is actually pretty mind-blowing to see that we're clearly in a bull run once again. Just the amount of vertical movement that you see with this candle and this candle just going straight up, I cannot believe it. And I wanted to show you this 5-year chart, which we don't usually show. This is in 1 week intervals, and I wanted to show you that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green weekly candles in a row. So for the past 8 weeks, we've been going nowhere but up. So the past 8 weeks, that's like the past 4 paychecks, it's been going nothing but up. And you guys already know, after all the videos that I posted in this range right here, I said I lump sum every single paycheck. And not only that, but I work crazy overtime hours and I get crazy incentives for doing so, and I get bonuses and all that stuff. All of that goes straight into Bitcoin for me. I don't care. I even told you I took out the loans that people said were risky. I posted on Reddit that I took out the $10,000 loan, and they all called me crazy. And that was all at $27,000. And now look who's crazy now. Made $7,000 off of a loan. But when I wanted to show you with this, I know I'm bragging, and maybe that's the signal to sell, but I wanted to show you how rare it is to have 8 weekly greens. Last time we had 8 of them. It had to be all the way back here. If we look at the previous bull cycle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the red. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we haven't had 8 weeks of green in such a long time. It didn't even happen during the last bull run. If we go back all the way here, maybe we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like this was the last time. So this was about, the March, April, May, June area. That's where we got the last 8 weekly greens and then a red. So perhaps we're going to get another red for this one. But, this week is probably going to finish off green. I can't really see this being like a whole wick and then a red candle. But then again, what do I know? I'm not basing that off of any fact. It's just, based off what it looks like. But if you just do a macro zoom out right here and you just see like Bitcoin since the beginning of its inception, like this move that we experienced is pretty significant already. Like this little section of green is looking like this section is looking like this section is looking like this section. So we're definitely crawling our way out of the trenches. $15,000 was clearly the bottom. There's no debating that. I don't think it's going to go down below 15,000 ever again. And, I thought, after this 2025 peak and then the bear market of 2026 and 27, that's coming up in a couple years, I thought maybe the bottom would be 30,000. But looking at this, it's like, I don't think, Bitcoin will ever crash to 30,000 ever again. And it's crazy. We're at it's very interesting the time period we're in, because right now retail is not in yet. Retail has not expressed any interest in Bitcoin yet. And even I try to get some of my coworkers to buy, and I remember Bitcoin was literally at 39,000 and one of my coworkers like, yeah, I just don't want to buy so high because what if it drops back down to 20? Yeah, she said that at 39 and just a couple days later it goes right up to 44. It's just insane, like the money that's being created. It's crazy, and we're not even at the all-time high yet. That's what's even crazier. But what's insane is we're very close. We're very close to the all-time high already. If we double from here, that's already 88,000 right there. To get to the all-time high from here, we only need to move up another 50%, and we've already seen Bitcoin do that within the past month or so. We've moved up 63%. So it's all-time high is looking to be pretty near. According to history, the all-time high shouldn't have been visited until, the end of 2024. The halving hasn't even happened yet. The end of 2024, like, this is what it should be, but I don't know. And I know that I'm just blabbing around. This video is definitely not gonna be a good video. It's just me blabbing around and bragging that Bitcoin is at 44,000, and we've experienced astronomical gains. To be a whole coiner, it's just the greatest feeling on earth. You know what I mean? Like, this is wealth transfer in real time. This is fiat currency once again coming to a collapse in the face of sound money. I know that this video, like I said, it wasn't anything. I didn't talk about anything important. I didn't talk about any fundamentals. It's just me bragging about how Bitcoin is at 44,000. So yeah, hopefully next video will be a better video, something that I can actually talk about, something that is actually convincing, But, today, it's just going to be a bragging video. Today, Bitcoin is at 44,000, and I hope it dips further. I hope so. I hope possibly me bragging about, $44,000 Bitcoin. Hopefully that's the trigger for it to dump so we can buy more. But, regardless, even if it goes to 46,000, we're still going to be lump sum in the whole check. So, that's what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will make another video soon, and I will make a better one next time. But as of right now, I'm just trying to rush out and get this video up so that way I can go and eat. All right. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.